want me to like
shot?
right here? Yeah, you want your feet or
No feet.
no feet?
Okay. All right, so here I have a new project that just came in. This is a 2016 convertible Maserati. It's going from this red color into the matte red. But over here, before we look at the color, let's have a look at what's under the hood. Oh man, look at that. That is just gorgeous. Okay, so this is the color that it's going to be going into. This is a 3M matte red. It's going to be having this kind of matte finish here, as you can see, and it's going to make this car look very unique and stand out even more so. Okay guys, here is probably the hardest part on the Maserati, the front bumper. This is the Gran Torino. I'm not sure what exactly the model's called, but the setup is kind of intense. You kind of just want to set this whole area as flat as possible, and then just bend this around, and you basically work this corner all the way back slowly. Here I have it all spaced out and ready to cut, so that should tuck in very nicely. Because this is red under, I can just cut along this line and it'll be fine. If it was white or something like that and it's going to red, then that's when you're gonna have to lift the hood and then fold everything in. But basically, for protrusions and stuff like that, yes, technically you should remove this emblem and then put it back on. That's what the shops would do, but no need for that. You just poke a hole in the middle there and then you just wrap around it just like that, and then you cut with a nice leading edge so that you have enough to tuck in so you're not short. Right here I even wrapped the Maserati symbol. Look at that. That's looking fresh. It was normally chrome. Now chrome deleting is not part of the deal on this one, but just because it happened to be there and I think it's a cool feature, I put some style behind it. This is why we call it paradox styling, baby. Okay, so here this side, I'm able to do it all in one piece. It ends up like this down here, which is fine because no one's gonna look down there anyway. Here, that's all like that. You basically just tuck that in. So over here, so this is how you want to set this particular one up. I'm guessing if I do a Lamborghini or a Ferrari, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna make my spots there, have some extra hanging over, and then I'm gonna cut it after I tuck it like this. See that? And then I can just heat this up, heat this little flap up here, and I can just pull it off. It looks like it's short, but it's not, because all this that's bunched up here and all this over here, you can heat that up and it will stretch all the way out to here. So that's the advantage of doing it like that. So it's just a little tricky to tuck it into there nice first and then swing it around this way. So that takes a little bit of time, but after that you're golden. So yeah guys, front bumper, very hard but easy as long as you set it up right. right there, you just make sure you tuck it in, and then you cut enough of the leading edge so that you can tuck further. Post heat, you're good to go. All right, back on the time lapse. We're gonna finish this off. The rest of the car is pretty standard, not worth talking about. I'm gonna finish this on the time lapse, and I'll show you guys what the whole car looks like all around. All right, my man, start it up.
Oh my god, that is so cool. Let it pass. Once it passes.
They're not very deep. guys already know what time it is. I have to stunt with the Maserati here and do that front end Friday shot, baby, because that's a great shot. I got the VR4 warming up over here because I'm only driving it like once a week to the shows, and I'm dailying the red MR2 right now. But that mat's looking really good. It's got that fire looking finish. I really didn't like the matte at first, but since I see it in the sun, the sun's not out right now. It's kind of super cloudy, but when the sun is out, this thing is super bright red, and it's kind of like a, you know, there's no sparkles or anything like that on this matte color, but because it's a Maserati and it looks, the lines are so clean that basically it looks really good. And with this carbon fiber wing in the back, oh man, with the blacked out Maserati symbol, that looks amazing. All right guys, we're gonna close this out. Thanks for watching this wrap video of the Maserati, my first Italian ever. Oh man. So you see that little bit of smoke there? I am burning a little bit of oil on my turbos. I'm gonna replace the turbo soon. Anyhow, okay guys. Hey, look at that setup, boy. That is awesome. Of course, thank you guys again for watching. I got this all set up. We're doing some pictures, and then the Spider is back there. I have to put the lip back on, but hopefully I'll fix it this weekend. My man is just arriving to pick this car up. I don't think he wants to be on camera, but thank you guys again for watching this Maserati wrap episode. My first Italian car, and I can't wait to do another one, possibly a Lambo. We'll see. So until next time, guys, I'll catch you guys later.